Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Addressing Vyasadeva, the son of Parashar, Nārad inquired, "Are you satisfied by identifying with the body or the mind as objects of self-realization?" This was a hint by Nārad to Vyasadeva regarding the cause of his despondency. Vyasadeva, as the descendant of Parashar, a greatly powerful sage, had the privilege of having a great parentage which should not have given Vyasadeva cause for despondency. Being a great son of a great father, he should not have identified the self with the body or the mind. Ordinary men with a poor fund of knowledge can identify the body as self or the mind as self, but Vyasadeva should not have done so. One cannot be cheerful by nature unless one is factually seated in self-realization, which is transcendental to the material body and mind.